Hi, welcome to Problem Solving channel. Today, we'll solve the Codeforces Problem 1985, creating words using Python. Let's get started. This problem is about two strings, S1 and S2, of the same length. We need to swap the first characters of the two strings and keep the rest of the characters unchanged. For example, if S1 is A, B, C, and S2 is X, Y, Z, the new S1 becomes X, B, C. The new S2 becomes O, Y, Z. This needs to be done for multiple test cases. The input has two parts: 1. A number, t, which is the number of test cases. 2. For each test case, two strings, S1 and S2. The output is the two new strings for each test case, printed on the same line. Here's how we solve it. 1. First, we read the number of test cases. 2. For each test case, we take S1 and S2 as input. 3. Swap the first characters of the two strings. 4. Print the two new strings. Let's look at the Python code. 1. We start by reading t, the number of test cases. For example, if t equals 2, we handle two test cases, 2. Then, we use a while loop to process each test case. 3. Inside the loop, we split the input into S1 and S2. For example, if the input is A, B, C, space, X, Y, Z, S1 becomes A, B, C, and S2 becomes X, Y, Z. 4. Next, we swap the first characters. S2, 0, plus S1, 1, gives the new S1, 0, plus S2, 1, gives the new S2, 5. Finally, we print the two new strings, then decrease t by 1. That's it. We solved 1985, creating words using Python. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in